Pastor Mwangi Zakayo muthenya wa umuthi ni akorirwo akirashiria his beautiful wife Priscilla kuria mwena wa Maragwa Murang'a igongona riuma ithaka na igemu muno na ni akumagaritio ni aini matiganite matongoretio ni Karangu Muraya and Lawrence ona nginya Martin Janet, just to mention a few, na ni igongona riuma igemu muno as Pastor Mwangi Zakayo officially held his dowry presentation ceremony kuria Maragwa Bobo village na ni igongona rikiuma ithaka muno. This is his beautiful wife Priscilla na ciana ciao ira makirathimitwo nacio, na Pastor Mwangi Zakayo ni akorirwo agikena muno ni kuona uria aini makorirwo makiyumiria na kumunyitirira na njira nene muno na akorwo akihotwo ni wendo na wirutiri wao. Na Mwangi Zakayo ni akorirwo akiruta uira wake, his life journey, his testimony, akiuga Ngai ni amurutite haraihu muno, na for him to be able to do this dowry presentation ceremony, it is a big win and achievement for him na family yake, na gakiuga ni ngatho cia mwanya muno to everyone uria umirire gukorwo akimunyitirira kunyitanira nake na family yake on this special day. Na finally magikorwo makirenga keki na kurumania keki ari wendo, a sign of love and their continued love to each other, na magikorwo makidedicate even more love and success in their marriage to one another. And there afterwards it was song and dance, aini matiganite a Martin wa Janet othe makiringithia kigoco kinene muno magikenanira na aikari a Maragwa makinyitanira na gukenanira hamwe igongona riri ria Pastor Mwangi Zakayo and his wife Priscilla, na magikorwo makirathima kiiko giki kiao. And may God bless this union na Ngai aromaturia. Congratulations Pastor Mwangi Zakayo and your wife Priscilla. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.